In this simple video, we'll show you how you can easily deactivate your Twitter or X account. So if you want to take a break from the app or hide your profile for a certain period of time, then this video is for you. The steps are exactly the same for both iPhone and Android devices, and the first thing that we will do is to open our X application and make sure you are logged into your account. The next step is to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and this side menu will pop up. Tap on the Settings and Support button here, and then tap on the Settings and Privacy. Now open the first option at the top, which is your account. And when we open this section, we can tap on the Deactivate Your Account option here, and that's going to get us to this page where we can easily deactivate our X account. So when you deactivate your Twitter account, your profile will be hidden, other people won't be able to send you messages and all that other stuff. You can restore or reactivate your account within 30 days, and we reactivate our account by simply logging in with our email and password. However, after the 30 days your X profile will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to get it back. So you will need to reactivate the account in 30 days or less if you want to keep your account and temporarily deactivate this new Twitter account. And if this was helpful, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.